Well, it is Wednesday, and here in Indianapolis, that means test and tune. So we got Kevin out here and my buddy Nunu running their cars down the track, testing their quarter-mile times. I guess Kevin just ran an 11.2 with his AC on, so that's pretty good. I'm not sure what Nunu ran yet, if he ran, because I know he didn't have a helmet, so they're probably swapping them out. But we're gonna roll in here, let them know we're part of the pit crew, and see if we can get some good footage of Kevin knocking out some 11s. See if he can't reach a high 10. Hey, pretty good, you? It's dangerous to come out here like this because it makes you want to do one thing, and that's get on the track, especially with it this nice outside. Oh, there they are now, lined up. Oh, we got Tark here in his M4 as well. There's Nunu getting ready to go now. Son of a... Oh man, as always, perfect timing. Look at this. What are the chances? What are the chances of that timing? What'd I miss? Huh?
That girl Civic, 845.
Oh!
B series.
And she spun? Man, that R3's getting it.
He rolled his window down after she did burn it. She looked like that thing's fast.
Oh man.
She's back here. So.
Dude, he got a 10.8. That ain't bad.
Hey, you can turn the AC off, dog.
Is that Tark? See that? Take it. Get up and close it personal.
Hey, just make it, dog.
Civic. Oh, don't forget Nunu. Look, Kevin. Look at all. Oh, she got a parachute?
Yeah, she had to use it last time.
She had to?
Well, she has to have
No. With an 8-second? I guess.
You only got front brakes on that.
Here's the one that claimed that AMG. Who wouldn't put money on it?
She's like, you have to put a helmet on.
Why? Because you were under 14?
I ran a faster time. She's like,
Yeah.
put a helmet
Oh,
on.
you ran way past another one.
Hey, dude, that fucking BMW came up on me.
Yeah,
you got him out of the
dude.
horn.
You had him out, but he caught up. He ran you
You
down.
hit fifth, huh?
He ran you down.
I freaking, I always hit that.
Hey, you got way faster than that one.
Hey, not bad.
What's the time where you have to wear a helmet? Under 14?
13.
Hey,
They did it. They told me I have to put a helmet on.
Hey, that second one was better, Kevin.
Oh, hell yeah.
That first one you spun a little too much.
The launch got a little better because I launched. I didn't.
Dude, that thing took off like a bat out of hell. This thing shot out. Mm. All stock. Claiming AMGs left and right. I called him out for that shit. He didn't like it either.
I see that.
Let's see it. Oh yeah. 11.4. That's solid, dude. What'd you do differently?
Yeah, this time
I
I
shifted.
Yeah.
I should just let automatic
Yeah.
do it.
It's
When the
too smart.
automatic do it,
under 7.
it read,
Dude, I see the freaking the fucking M
Oh.
series. I'm like, yeah.
I just gotta.
You gotta be along for the ride. That's how those cars are.
But all your receipts at?
Mm. Yeah, Jeep's right at home with all these guys. Makes you want to get on the track even more. We're on a 13.2 bone stock with people in the car.
No, fourth gear right out on limiter.
Tack it out. It'll hold it.
Dude,
Honda.
front wheel drive, you need to launch at LA like 7 grand or 8,000.
I'm gonna spin that whole crazy. Give me a fucking
On
helmet.
this track, you're not gonna spend that much.
Hey, man, look at your helmet.
Do 5.
I need to get my track time in right now.
Do 5.
Do 7.
No, don't.
Do 5.
You'll blow them out. No, like 5 or 6. And then write it out.
You need to catch.
And try to get the reaction time faster too.
This is how you break stuff. Peer pressure. Listen to that. When you got a GoPro, you need 3 batteries for 1 day. They don't last for nothing. There's one thing for sure, if you got a drag strip, you got boosters. ZX10R though, that's where it's at. If you like to work on your bike, because they're always breaking. Jigs are more comfortable. R1, ugh. Dropping 26.
We're dropping at 25.
25. Look at this nasty thing right here. We're going this side. Yeah, she gets down. .85, 171 miles an hour. Yeah, that gave me chills. Insane. 171 miles an hour? God! Here we go, Nunu. Gosh, 11-1, there it is. 124. Bone stop. Sound like that Mitsubishi was squealing the tires the whole way down the track. Not bad though. Good launch. Risky business right here. Hell no. Hell no. Insane.
What got that Mustang though?
Did he? Holy crap!
That one got Nunu.
10-9!
Here we go, Nunu.
10-9.
That's the next one I need to get, bruh.
Audi RS3. 10-9. You see that? This Benz runs 12 too. pressure beside him. That's why it went. That's good though. 103.
Hey, he topped out 4 that time.
He didn't switch to 5th at the end?
No, he topped out 4. What tire is that?
11-1. 17.
Gas station.
I forgot it. It's at my house, dude. It's at my house. I swear. Huh? Because you said you were coming by.
This guy.
Come to my house. You said you were.
I know, but
You messed up.
yeah, you're right with him, bro. Am I going with you?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's Kevin going?
What you mean we're never going? I ain't driving this little ass car, no. I'm trying to be luxury. Not a seatbelt in my back. Ah, goddamn.
Yeah, I gotta coat these bitches.
Yo, these seats low key like.
Oh shit, you're coming back with us?
No, his car's up front. Yeah, my car.
Oh man.
I don't know. Dude, this car. Ooh, I need the seat to race in, dog. This car is nice.
Dude, it hugs. I want that Mercedes seat where it freaking swells up on you when you turn.
Oh shit, yeah, that one you were talking about the other day.
Oh, I fell in love. The Tesla, the fastest car here. Dude, it weirded me out the first time I saw that.
One time they ain't NASCAR.
We made it back, burning fumes. We're gonna see who's lower on gas. Let's see. I'm behind the line. Judge, look at the line. Let's see this. We couldn't do any pulls on the way home because we're both on fumes. Oh, dude. I got you beat.
Do you?
I got you beat. You got plenty of gas,
got scared,
dude.
bro.
You could have been racing.
Got scared.
Well, that's it. Good day at the track. Till next time.